The overall goal of the following experiment is to demonstrate the fabrication of the high-contrast, spectrum-splitting element in a concentrated photovoltaic system. This is achieved by performing PDMS nanoimprint lithography over a titanium dioxide glass substrate covered with a layer of UV curable photoresist. As a second step, the residual nanoimprint photoresist is etched away, and a patterned chromium hard mask is produced using lifted-off techniques. Next, reactive ion etch is used to form the titanium dioxide and glass grating array. Based on measurement results from a spectrometer, the fabricated high-contrast grating exhibits a broadband reflectance that can be used as dispersive elements in a concentrated photovoltaic system.
We first had the idea for this method when we discovered that, unlike traditional diffraction gratings, these titanium dioxide high-contrast gratings exhibit an exotic broadband reflectance profile. Therefore, we can use it to build a spectrum-splitting dispersive element that would greatly enhance energy absorption with low-cost single-junction solar cells.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods, such as using expensive multi-junction solar cell technology to absorb broadband solar light, is that the gratings offer higher absorbance efficiencies at a lower fabrication cost.
Nanoimprint lithography is a low-cost, high-yield fabrication technology that is suitable for the fabrication of large-area, high-contrast gratings.